Welcome back, everybody, to another edition of Mr. Old Dude Wrenching Minutes. Today we're going to be talking about my Chevrolet Express 2500 work van converted to a camper. So anyway, background is, when I was driving over bumps, I noticed some kind of clunk in the suspension. And upon further research, I realized, what's actually happening is these bottom leaf springs here are just kunka 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 kunka. Maybe if you're under full load, these springs are actually in contact with each other and it's not a big deal, but since this is a converted camper van, it's light load, and so just little bumps kind of cause these things to slap together. Well, there is a solution. We got these rear leaf spring inserts, Dorman product 31067, and what they do, they fit right in here, like that. So when they come together, they're probably not going to make as loud of a noise. Anyway, I would not recommend jacking up your vehicle like this with a jack. Use a jack stand, but I'm not crawling under it. Just make sure you're at least shock your front wheels and keep your fingers out of there. Good luck.